gonna need is a hair tie, some hairpin. Let's get into these beaded bangs and how to wear them. Clip-on bangs are great for just a basic switch up. It's good for if you love bangs but you do not want to commit to cutting your own hair. It's good for covering insecurities if you have a big forehead. If you have gray hairs growing in around the front hairline, the beaded bangs will cover them. And what I really love about these bangs are the beads. All of the bangs come with beads, but you can definitely change them out. You can order more bead styles and change them out. And they all come with the BlessEnds on the ends of the beads. You want to make sure that whatever style you have, that there's no big bulky braids where you're going to set your bang placement. So I like to just start with a flat surface. So I will pull all my hair up. All right, so here's my hair up in a high ponytail. Like the styles are endless. But I'm just gonna do a simple bun. And buns are really so easy to do when you're into curl. You see that? All right. No pins, no rubber bands, no nothing. They come with the clip. This would be good for if you do not have a fresh retwist because it can fit snug into the root of your locks. But I don't necessarily use the clip. I use these hairpins. So I'm gonna place it right there. You can place them as far back as you need to. But my placement is gonna be right here. And then I just take my pin and slide it in, secure one side. And take the other pin and then slide it and secure the other side. And that is it. To remove, we just remove the hairpins. If you do decide to use the clip, you'll open the clip, figure out where you want the placement to be, and then you'll just push down and snap into place. And then you may even want to still use the hairpins just to secure each side.